in-law himself handed this to me, and now he's repenting and saying I cannot take you to all of this. Oh my god, it's such a mess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rai and she is Elsa. Elsa, come on, look here. Guys, she's not so unfriendly. She's a very friendly dog. Her name is Elsa. So I make videos on makeup, fashion and lifestyle. So if any of these things interest you, then definitely give me a follow. This vlog is all about Durga Puja, as you have seen from the footage. I'm really sorry that this video is coming in so late, but then I captured a lot of great memories of my time in Kolkata spent in Durga Puja with my family members, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So this is the part 1. Let's roll the clips. As we're going to Teshukriya Park, I'm here with my in-laws. It's early morning for me because it's 8:30, 8:45, and that's why it's so vacant. Oh, let's go. That's my pretty mom-in-law. She's reminiscing about my husband and bringing her to this park.
पुष्पांजलि नमो षष्ठी देवोय नमो
ওরা সেই সব বাড়িগুলোকে স্পেশালি ডেকোরেট করছে এবার, মানে করবে আর কি। এটা একটা গোটা বছরের প্রজেক্ট।
Guys, we've taken an auto. We have succumbed to the heat of Kolkata and I'm sweating like crazy. And so we've taken an auto. We are going. From where are we going? From Baliganj Cultural theke we are going to Mudiali and Shiv Mandir. Basically, we have made the wise decision to go by auto. So our whole family is fit here. Let's go. Guys, this is the newspaper which has a list of all the pandals, and I'm carrying it with me in my bag. All the good, basically, yeah, all the not good, like which are like pretty famous, because there can be pandals which are really good, but you've not even discovered them. But these are the list of all the established pandals. My father-in-law himself handed this to me, and now he's repenting and saying I cannot take you to all of them. So I just pick and choose, and rest is on you. You do whatever you want. So yeah, this is our map. Let's go. Sweat has got nothing on my pandal hopping. I'm going to go to all the pandals that's possible.
এই কাজটা কি করেছেন? সে ছেলেটি যে কজন ইম্পর্টেন্ট কলকাতায় প্যান্ডেল করায় তার মধ্যে আছে সুশান্ত পাত্র। যদি নর্থ ক্যালকাটায় কাছে বলবেন দেখবি ওখানে ওটাও করেছে লীলা মজুমদারের ওপর। এই কাজটা খুব অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েটেড। না সামনে যা
এই প্রথমবার ওরা একটু ওপেন প্ল্যান করেছে, যদি খুব ন্যারো করে তো অনেক ভিড় হয়।
Elsa Cooper are in Bangalore while I am pandal hopping in Kolkata. I miss them a lot, so I occasionally do video calls to see them. Don't worry, they are well taken care of.
Much later.
Hi guys, so just came back home in the afternoon, like around 12, from all the pandal hopping. We were so exhausted but had a really great time with my in-laws. They had so much of energy that we all were acting like children, that ye bhi dekhna, ye bhi dekhna, ye bhi dekhna, ye bhi dekhna. And that's how it is when you come to Durga Puja in Kolkata, and you cannot miss out on most of the pandals. So that's what we did. We came back home, had a great meal and took a nap and now I'm getting ready. This is my outfit. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and also follow my YouTube shorts, where I'll be sharing full details of the outfits. And right now I'm getting ready to go out and meet friends in Bengal Club. So let's go.
The next day.
Shubho Shabdami guys, I am almost ready to go to my Bari Pujo, and I'm so sorry, ignore the mess because it's so much of honey, and I also got my periods. To fight my periods during Pujo, I am really getting all my support from Noah. So I got like all these things from Blinkit, and they came like immediately almost. So I got this Noah period panties, and I've used them yesterday night, and they're really good and comfortable, and really there was no stain or nothing, so that's great. And then because I get really bad period cramps thanks to my low iron, so I'm obviously going to take some painkillers. I don't want to recommend any painkillers, so I'm not showing you that, but this is what I'm going to try, which is the cramp comfort support. So this is the self-healing pain relief patch. Yeah, so I think this will give you relief for almost 8 hours. So I will be gone for Bari Durga Puja now, and so I'm just going to use this, and I will keep you updated on how well it works. And also I get cramps like in my calf muscles, back, as well as stomach, so I also got this roll on. I have never tried this before, so I'm going to use it, and I'll let you know how it went. Oh my god, it's such a mess, but I'm really excited because it's Shabdami and I'm just feeling great. So let's quickly get ready. I don't have the time, so I am just doing the quickest makeup that I can think of. Like literally this is kuch bhi makeup, kuch bhi. Just love this concealer, man. It just blends so easily. Like this is the all. Do you hear the dhaker awaaz? Do you? Kolkata just comes alive during Durga Puja, like absolutely. It's the best time. No matter how hot it is, no matter how humid it is, you would not regret being here. And this is the only time I don't regret the traffic and the crowd and everything, because everybody is so happy and passionate and giddy. It's a treat. This Huda Beauty powder, small one, so cute. Now let's talk up more on Huda Beauty, because I hear that it's really nice and I want to buy it and like try it for myself. Yeah. I got this set from Meesho. Isn't it pretty? Like it's minimal and it just looks really nice, I think. No? Should I change my nose pin, guys? Let me know. Because I have another one from Meesho. Both are from Meesho. I'm obsessing with Meesho at the moment. This is the finished one. He's stealing food on Ashtami. Give. এই আমাদের বাড়ির গিন্নি খাবার নিয়ে আসছে ভোগ নিয়ে।
The next day.
Shubho Ashtami, guys, and we are going to Bari Pujo for our Ashtami Anjali. I just want to fix my hair a little bit. Protein Melted Shine Spray from Appetite, which acts as a like a heat protecting spray. It provides you some extreme things you're wearing. You You just saw how bad my hair was looking before I put the spray and this hair tool, and look now. It's so set, right? Go drying from the salon, and you just need 5 minutes. Like for my waistline hair, you needed 5 minutes. That's it. No, it's not 5 minutes, guys. It's 3 minutes 46 seconds. Since I'm recording it, and how pretty are my nails. And I really love the volume of this it has given my hair. See? Yeah, I like it. Get ready. I'm powering through with these 2 cramp relief patches that I bought from Noah, and I have to say, the moment you attach it at the place where it's hurting for your cramps, it definitely provides some relief. It takes like 10-15 minutes of time to heat up, and it gives you some kind of relief. So yeah, I'm really grateful for these.
1 hour later. Hours later.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, Rudy. Come to on camera, बोल दो. Which ice cream you want? I'm खाऊंगा ice cream. तेरा আমরা কিন্তু অনিয়ে তো আনছি.
খাবে না, আমরা খাবো। আরে সবাই আইসক্রিম খাবে, তুমি আইসক্রিম খাবে না?
হ্যাঁ। দিদি, how is your Durga Puja going?
খুব ভালো।
ভালো লাগছে?
হ্যাঁ।
Which is the best part of Durga Puja? Which is the best
Which
part?
is the আচ্ছা। এই এত সবাই সেজে গুজে বেরোয়, ওটাই আমার খুব ভালো লাগে। আমিও সেজে গুজে
And
বেরোই।
did you notice we are almost twinning? ঠিক আছে? ম্যাথ করছি কিনা আমরা?
খানিকটা ঠিক আছে।
We're just reliving our childhood days, huh?
হ্যাঁ একদম। আর কি জানো বলে, আমি অনেকদিনই ইচ্ছে যে একবার আমরা যাবো, কিন্তু তুই তখন
সেটাও
সকালে আসতে
হয় না।
পারিস না, ওই জন্য আর হয় না। নাহলে যে ওখানে যেতাম এখনো মানে গিয়ে just দেখে চলে আসতাম, এই না যে ওখানে খাওয়া দাওয়া করবো
Yeah.
অঞ্জলিটা দিয়ে
No,
ওখানে।
just for context, like when we were growing up during childhood, we used to basically every Ashtami, Didi and I and our entire family. This is our new member. He was not there in our childhood, so we used to go for Anjali on Ashtami with my Tishi, her mom, and my mom, her mommy, and we used to give Anjali. And in the evening, we used to go out for candle hopping and eat lot of junk food and go on different kind of rides. We're just trying to relive those days by meeting in Ashtami again. Definitely the plans have changed. We have new family members and like things are different, but the feeling is still the same. Right now?
একদম।
Ta-da!